said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
So I hit a curb with my splitter and I've broken it in half. So it looks like we're going to be attempting to repair it. It did make a nice noise, and as you can see, it's had it, which is kind of what we expected when we fitted it, wasn't it? That at some point I'd rip it off. I'm surprised I didn't rip it off on my driveway every day, but there you go. That's one done splitter. I think a couple of cable ties and a couple of holes and should be good.
It is broken. I have broken it.
Okay, so that's it. It's repaired. It's as repaired as it's ever gonna be, and it looks like that. But it's on and it's in one piece. So there you go. That's the RDX front splitter update. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna smash it off other stuff as well. So I will keep you updated when I do. Cheers, guys.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.